I'm Lindsay Phillips. I'm a senior here at Belfry High School.
Hi, I'm Bailey Howard, and I'm a senior here at Belfry High School as well.
Our project is on the investigation of changes in the globe, and we will be doing this by using the system toolkit and the ArcGIS maps.
So this is our research focus. Having this grant approved will enable us to learn and apply the multi-physics software from analytical graphics to perform complex analyses of ground, sea, air, and space platforms. We will share our results and findings in one integrated environment.
Using the software. Using the SDK system, this will enable us to design, build, test, and operate the satellites. We'll be able to predict the exact time of arrival at a point where we will be retrieving the data from aerospace, defense, telecommunications, and other industries. Using the ArcGIS software, we will map our retrieved data and use the ImageJ program to exactly predict the changes in our globe due to different calamities. We will also be learning how to troubleshoot the assembly and calibrate all of the components to achieve consistent results from our various trials. This is process knowledge that we will be able to carry with us into our future careers.
So these are our first steps. At first, we'll need to get accustomed to how the systems and programs work by learning all of the customizable toolbars, dockable maps, and 3D graphic windows. Each program has unique features that we'll be able to manipulate and control after learning the software. So this image shows what we can build using this software.
This is our action plan. We will create satellites, aircrafts, targets, and communication systems in the STK design space called Scenario. We will be able to design and manipulate all of these machines. Each object is necessary for collecting data from the ice caps in the North Pole using the Galileo satellite. We will be able to determine the time of duration of the satellites. We will also contact NASA and other agencies to provide the data so they will be able to map using the ArcGIS program.
So using this program, we will be able to look at surrounding populations of the ice caps. It is an extremely intelligent software system that will be very effective in our research. We will communicate with other scientists and engineers to aid in our understanding of the methods of collecting data and interpretations of their work. We will try to model the communication system between the satellite and the ground station by constructing cube satellite and using Arduino. We will construct explanations from scientific practices by presenting our work at conferences and other events. So these are our budget details. The total projected cost will be $1,000. The SDK professional will be $150 per year. The ArcGIS program will be $100 for the year. Arduino and add-ons will be $300. Regulated power supply and electronic components will be $250. And the electronic tools and other necessary items will be $200.
This is our budget narrative. For our research, the SDK and the ArcGIS programs will be purchased for this amount that we have allotted in the budget. This will help us build a path of satellites and retrieve data from the databases available at different agencies. The ArcGIS program will allow us to map and analyze the data that we receive from the satellite.
We'll be using the allotted funds in the budget to buy our Arduino set and other components in order to model the communication process between the satellite and the ground station. And power supply and electronic components will be required as well. A complete circuit consisting of wires, resistors, capacitors, and other electronic devices will be designed and built to have a successful receiver for the communication between the satellite and the ground station.